Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So Grist versus Baserow versus NocoDB. Which one's the best? Let's find out. Grist is a powerful spreadsheet database hybrid designed for teams that want the flexibility of a spreadsheet with the structure of a database. In simple words, it gives you the familiar rows, columns, and formulas of a spreadsheet, but adds stronger database-style organization behind it. It is ideal for analysts, startups, and technical users who need custom data models without coding. So, if your team is managing complex information like customer records, project data, inventory, research, or internal operations, Grist can give you more control than a basic spreadsheet. Grist offers relational linking, access control formulas, and a Python-based environment for deeper customization. Relational linking is useful when you want different tables to connect with each other, like linking customers to orders or projects to team members. Access control helps you decide who can view, edit, or manage specific data, which is great for teams handling sensitive information. Its biggest strengths are flexibility and strong data privacy options, but it has a steeper learning curve than simpler spreadsheet tools. So, Grist is powerful, but it may take a little time to fully understand and set up properly. Baserow is an open-source, web-based database that focuses on collaboration and scalability. It is great for teams seeking a self-hosted alternative to Airtable. If you like the visual, easy-to-use feel of Airtable, but want more control through open source and self-hosting, Baserow is a strong option. It works well for teams managing content calendars, product lists, CRM data, task tracking, and internal workflows. Baserow offers real-time collaboration, role-based permissions, and a plugin system for extending functionality. Real-time collaboration makes it easier for teams to work together without constantly sending updated files back and forth. It's easy to use and highly customizable, though its interface and feature depth are still maturing compared to more established competitors. That means it is simple to start with, but some advanced features may not feel as polished as bigger no-code platforms. Lastly, NocoDB turns any SQL database into a smart spreadsheet interface. It is ideal for developers or organizations already using MySQL, PostgreSQL, or other relational databases. Instead of building a full admin panel from scratch, NocoDB gives teams a faster way to view, manage, and interact with existing database records. This can be helpful for internal tools, admin dashboards, customer data management, and operational workflows. NocoDB supports API generation, views, and integrations with tools like Slack and Zapier. This makes it useful when you want your database to connect with the rest of your business tools. It is fast and developer-friendly, but setup can be more technical for non-coders. So, while it has no code in the name, it is usually best for teams that already have some technical setup or developer support. In short, Grist suits data-heavy teams needing structure. Baserow is perfect for open-source enthusiasts prioritizing collaboration, and NocoDB shines for those integrating with existing databases. If you want spreadsheet-style control and advanced logic, go with Grist. If you want an open-source Airtable-style workspace, Baserow makes sense. And if you already have SQL databases and want a clean interface on top, NocoDB is the better fit. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.